go back home to my family.
Well, that is true.
I think I could do that.
It puts your family in a better
Yes.
position at the end of the day.
Yes.
So in a case like that, but if you are north and your family is south and like years, a
That
year,
break of
2
family,
years,
you know?
lots of family.
Lots of family. And I don't want my kids to live with me being an absent mom just because me a chase, you know?
Money.
Not necessarily.
and
Well,
whatever.
the thing is, a lot of persons, both in the past and in the present, and this will happen in the future as well.
It will happen.
It's all about sacrifices, and a lot of persons do what they think is best for their family. In the sense that you might be a mother leaving your kids with them grandkids, with them grandparents, not them grandkids, them grandparents, to go overseas and work. That ultimately is going to increase your family income, increase your family status, home ownership, all of those things.